Welcome to Horizontal and Vertical Analysis. What is horizontal analysis of the financial statements? It is a percentage analysis of changes in comparative financial statements. Okay, pag horizontal analysis, we are comparing it on the basis of time. Okay? So, ina-assess natin yung percentage of change. So, that's why our formula will be the amount for the later period divided by the amount at the earlier period, or we say it as the base year divided by earlier period or base year. So again, pag horizontal analysis, ang kino-compare natin two different periods of the same or of a company. Okay. Example, if you are comparing the amounts for 2020 with 2019 financial statements, the formula will be magkano siya nung 2020 minus magkano siya nung 2019 divided by amount for 2019. So what is our base year? Our base year is 2019. So okay, ang base year natin 2019. So let's now go to the problem. Okay, let's say na ito yung financial statements. So tingnan nyo, may for year 2019, meron din for year 2020. Okay. For our solution, meron na siyang percentages mamaya. Percentage change. Okay? So, tingnan natin sa cash. Yung change daw, tumaas siya ng 5%. Paano natin nakuha ang 5%? Ang ginawa natin is 200, di ba yung 2020, yung amount ng cash, 210? Noong 2019 naman, 200. So, 210 minus 200. So, di ba 10? 10 divided by base amount. Okay? So, di ba? Yung base amount natin is yung cash for the year 2019. So, 10 divided by 200. So, the percentage of change is 5%. So, okay ha, importante ang increment. So, for example, sa cash, since tumaas yung cash, positive din yung change. And tingnan nyo, for accounts receivable, di ba from 2019 to 2020, bumaba ang AR. So, that's why the percentage of change will also be negative. Okay? So, I hope guys na you try to solve everything na nandito, and the formula na diniscuss ko kanina, ito yung mga answers nila. Okay? So that is for horizontal. Next. So okay na tayo for horizontal. So again ha, for horizontal, percentage of change. So ang kino-compare natin, two different periods. Okay. Paano naman pag vertical? It is a percentage analysis used to show the relationship of each component to the base total within a single statement. So also called financial statements. Peso amounts are translated to percentages indicating the relative sizes of an item in proportion to the whole. Okay, para saan ang vertical analysis? This is important to compare two different firms with two different sizes. Okay? So, instead na yung amounts, di ba amounts yung basis natin of comparison, we make it the percentage. Okay? So, we turn everything into a percentage. So again, it is ideal for comparing firms with different sizes. So for balance sheet, ano yung denominator natin? Our denominator will be total assets. Okay, so lahat ng mga amounts na nasa balance sheet, lahat i-divide natin sa total assets. And for income statement naman, lahat ng mga items na nasa income statement, i-divide natin sa net sales. So meron tayong two examples. So number 1 is for total assets and number 2 is for the income statement. Okay, ito. For 2020. Okay ha, I want to emphasize na pag ito-turn nyo tong lahat sa percentage, your denominator must always be total assets. Okay, kasi ang assumption natin, yung total assets ang 100%. Okay, so I will confirm this to the next slide. O yun. Pansinin nyo, ang total assets ang 100%. Sa total liabilities and shareholders' equity, yun din yung 100%. So that's why for cash, ang ginawa natin, 210 divided by 450, so that is 47%. So that is 47%. And then, for our liabilities, so again, 80 divided by 450. So that is 18%. So again, mapapansin nyo, total assets yung 100%. And of course, total liabilities and shareholders equity. Bakit? Bakit ganito? So again ha, accounting equation. So total assets is equals to total liabilities plus shareholders equity. So that's it for vertical analysis in balance sheet. Ito naman. Ito, problem, income statement. There are certain things na kailangan nyong pansinin. Ang important for this problem ay ang gain on sale of equipment. Okay, ito kasi yung problema pag income statement. Hindi kasi lahat expense. What if gain? How do we treat the gain? Pag income statement and we use vertical analysis. Tingnan nyo sa next slide. Tingnan nyo. Diba, yung net sales or yung sales, yun yung 100%. Okay, so yung sales, 100%. And then, yung cost of goods sold, diba ang effect ng cost of goods sold, decrease siya sa sales. So that's why negative. So, yung gross profit, 59%. Tapos, yung mga expenses, tingnan nyo, diba lahat sila minus? Diba it makes sense kasi expense. Diba? O, administrative expense. Minus 7%. Minus 12%. Tingnan nyo yung gain on sale of equipment. Positive siya. Kasi, di ba, pag gain, it increases our income. So, ang ginawa natin, 3 divided by 123 pesos and 86 centavos. So, that is 2%. Positive. And then, tingnan nyo, interest expense, minus. Tapos, income tax expense, negative. So, our net income is 24% of our sales. So, yun yung vertical analysis for income statement. Okay? gusto ko i-emphasize na mas maganda kung meron siyang increment. So, for example, ang COGS, since expense siya, then minus. Ang gain on sale, since gain siya, edi positive. Okay? So, yun lang. Ito yung medyo confusing na part pag mag-vertical analysis ka for income statement. So, kung expense siya, negative yung percent. Kung gain naman, positive. Para mas maintindihan siya. So, that's it. And thank you for watching this video.